I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted files from your iCloud app, don't worry, you might still be able to recover them. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open iCloud Drive. Before starting recovery, use the @com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check the recently deleted folder. In iCloud Drive, look for the recently deleted folder. This folder holds files that have been deleted within the last 30 days. Step 3. Select the files to recover. Once in the recently deleted folder, browse through the list of deleted files. Tap on the files you want to recover. Step 4. Restore the files. After selecting the files, look for the Recover option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to restore the files back to your iCloud Drive. Step 5. Verify recovery. Go back to the main iCloud Drive screen and check if the files have been restored. If they were not there, they may be permanently deleted. Remember, files in the recently deleted folder are only kept for 30 days, so act quickly if you need to recover something. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get your files back.